CO2 Dragster Project, Joliet Central High School, Engineering and Architecture 2, 2023 to 2024, Gilberto Rios. This is a picture of my final product. Number 1, Research and Design, Aerodynamics and Weight Reduction. These are pictures of my research and inspiration. To begin this project, we started off by researching about aerodynamics and ways to reduce weight. I found out different factors to have in a fast light car throughout my research. The pictures below show the design I was going for, and the different factors that will determine if the car will be slow, or if it will flow smoothly and have no air drag. Number 2, Sketch and Measure. This is actually a hand-drawn sketch that I made with all the dimensions, center lines, and hidden lines. And it shows all the accurate details that I use a dial caliper with to accurately measure each side. Model part files and auto test adventure. All parts below: the back tire, axle, brass washer, CO2 cartridge, front tire, and the screw eye. And then 3D modeled body right here. These are all parts that we use to construct and assemble my CO2 Dragster. My 3D modeled body, which I assembled with all the parts shown below. We were given 2 tires, following an axle, and for the back end of the vehicle, we were also given 2 brass washers per side, then another axle in the front with the 2 front tires, and we were given the CO2 cartridge to put in the back of the car, and 2 screw eyes at the bottom of the car to make sure it's a straight line all the way to the finish line. Number 4, Assembly and Exploded. Here's the fully assembled car and the exploded assembly to show where each part goes. Below me are the assembly and exploded example of my CO2 dragster that I made in Inventor, using tools like joint and constraint to connect pieces like I did with my actual car. I exploded all of the parts to show the process of connecting and what really goes on inside to make everything run perfect. I took the components and pulled them out all the way to show you where they go. 5, Modeling and Working Drawings. All our working drawings are shown below, which show all details and dimensions, angles, to show the full finished car. In my working drawings, it shows my final product of my CO2 Dragster before I start assembling and construction my real car. In these 3 working drawings, I show the body part fully assembled, and I show the exploded parts list with descriptions of details about the car. I also show the body with all the dimensions and details that aren't shown in other angles or views. These are all the views: title page, body part assembled with other parts, exploded parts list, and then the body part with all the dimensions. Number 6, Construction and Paint. My favorite part, probably. And these are all the photos of me drawing holes for the axles, me cutting an arch right here to reduce weight, and then painting was pretty fun. And then pretty much painted a nice brown color, pretty shiny, and it stood out for its simplicity from other cars. For race day and self-reflection, I think it went pretty good and like the whole overall project, but I realized the best way to be the fastest is to make your CO2 Dragster as light as possible and not too long, while still making that cylinder holding the CO2 cartridge stable enough. I raced second against Angel and lost, as you can see in the video below, which I will show you right now. It looks like I did really bad since I got gapped. But I think since I raced the CO2 Dragster Champion, I am satisfied with my performance. I'll show you the video and then the bracket after that. As you can see, I lost. And then here's the bracket that led up to Angel winning the CO2 Dragster project. And thank you for watching and coming along the process of making my CO2 Dragster car. Thank you.